host. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to take an iPhone backup on your Mac. It's always a good idea to have a backup of your important data with Mac. It's easier than ever, so let's get started. First of all, connect your iPhone to Mac. So basically what we can do, I can show you in the screen. So here it is. This is my Mac. So you can see here I have connected my Mac. I have connected my iPhone to my Mac, and now what I can do, first thing you need to do, connect your iPhone to your Mac and lightning cable that come with your iPhone. Make sure both your iPhone and Mac are turned on. Okay, open a Finder app, and once your iPhone is connected, you will see a Finder icon on your Mac dock at bottom of the screen, this one, and you can just press that and open the Finder window. Now from the Finder window, in the Finder window you will see a sidebar. This is a sidebar. So in the sidebar you can see your iPhone is listed there. So in this you will see a left side under the location section, you find iPhone listed. Click on it and select your iPhone. Choose a backup option. Now you will see a summary page for your iPhone here. Okay, this is a summary page. Basically what you will do here, you choose a backup option that suits your need. You can choose to either backup your iPhone to your Mac or backup the iCloud for the tutorial. We will focus on backing up for your Mac. Back up to Mac. Okay, now here in the backup window, backup all your iPhone to the Mac. So what we can do, backup this data to your iPhone to the Mac. Encryption is what exactly backup your protected password and sensitive personal data like notes, reminders and everything else will be backed up if you click on the encrypted local data. But I highly suggest don't click on encrypted data, because if this data is corrupted, basically you will not be able to recall this data. So to back up your iPhone to your Mac, make sure the backup of all the data on your iPhone to this Mac is selected. Okay, manage back. So you will see it is selected. You can also check the box next to encrypt local backup if you want to protect your backup with password. Once you are started with the options, click on the backup now button. Just click on the backup button. Now it is backing up your iPhone data to the Mac. Now in the iPhone you can see in the screen it will be asking you for the passcode, iPhone passcode. So you have to press that iPhone passcode, and just now in the above one you will see it is directly synchronizing all your information to the iPhone. Wait for the backup to complete. Okay, the backup process may take some time depending on the amount of data on your phone. So be patient and let the backup process complete. You can monitor the process in the Finder window as it will display the estimate time remaining. So in here itself you can see how much time you have remaining here. It will be coming up here also. Once this backup is finished, it will take a time. It depends on the amount of data you have, basically. So it will show you the progress bar in the left, location services under the iPhone. Now it is already backing up and doing the synchronization process. Now all the data has been backup, so you can verify this backup is done today itself at 11:30 p.m. So before that, how is your backup is restored? You can just verify the backup. Once the backup process is complete, you verify the backup was successful. Go to the backup section on Finder sidebar and check if your backup is listed there. In the backup section, basically you can go in the manage backup. You can see this is your backup which is done for today. This backup will be stored in your basically in the in various places. So in the conclusion, friends, host and that's it for today's video. Taking a backup of your iPhone on your Mac is crucial to ensure that your data is safe and secure. Remember to regularly back up your iPhone to keep your important data protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.